10 powerful phone tracking tools in Kali Linux you need to know. Have you ever wondered how cybersecurity professionals investigate mobile devices, analyze network activity, and gather intelligence during security assessments? In today's video, we're exploring 10 powerful tools available in Kali Linux that are commonly used for mobile security analysis, digital forensics, and network investigations. Before we begin, it's important to note that these tools should only be used for legal and authorized security testing. Unauthorized tracking or monitoring of individuals is illegal and unethical. Let's get started. At number 10, we have Maltego. Maltego is one of the most powerful open-source intelligence tools available. It helps security researchers gather publicly available information and visualize relationships between people, domains, email addresses, and online identities. This makes it extremely useful for investigations and digital footprint analysis. At number 9 is Wireshark. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer that allows security professionals to inspect and analyze network traffic in real time. It can reveal how devices communicate across a network, making it a valuable tool for troubleshooting, monitoring, and security investigations. Coming in at number 8 is Nmap. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a powerful network discovery and security auditing tool. It helps identify devices connected to a network, discover open ports, and assess potential security risks. Security professionals use Nmap extensively during reconnaissance and network assessments. At number 7, we have ReconNG. This tool is designed for open-source intelligence gathering and automates many reconnaissance tasks. With its modular framework, ReconNG can collect information from multiple sources and organize it efficiently, helping analysts save time during investigations. Number 6 on our list is the Harvester. The Harvester is widely used for gathering publicly available information such as email addresses, domains, and subdomains. It is an excellent tool for understanding an organization's online presence and identifying potential attack surfaces during security assessments. At number 5, we have the famous Metasploit framework. Metasploit is one of the most widely used penetration testing frameworks in the world. It allows security professionals to validate vulnerabilities, test defenses, and improve overall security posture in controlled environments. Coming in at number 4 is Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot automates open-source intelligence gathering by collecting information from hundreds of different data sources. It can uncover digital assets, online accounts, IP addresses, and other publicly available information that may be relevant during investigations. At number 3, we have AirCrackNG. AirCrackNG is a comprehensive wireless network security auditing suite. Security professionals use it to evaluate Wi-Fi security, identify weaknesses, and strengthen wireless network defenses. Taking the number 2 spot is TCP-dump. This lightweight command line packet analyzer is perfect for capturing and analyzing network traffic directly from the terminal. Its speed and efficiency make it a favorite among network administrators and security analysts. And finally, at number 1, we have Autopsy. Autopsy is a powerful digital forensics platform used for analyzing storage devices and recovering evidence during investigations. It provides a user-friendly interface and advanced forensic capabilities that make it a valuable tool for incident response teams and investigators. These were 10 powerful Kali Linux tools that cybersecurity professionals use for intelligence gathering, network analysis, wireless security assessments, and digital forensics. While these tools are extremely powerful, remember that they should always be used responsibly and only with proper authorization. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and Kali Linux, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.